In this short guide, I will tell you that how you can easily leave a Telegram group. So guys, if you have joined a Telegram group by mistake or you want to leave a Telegram group, make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. Guys, first of all, open up Telegram and you'll have to navigate to that group that you want to leave. Now once you're on this page you can interact with other members by typing a message or anything. You can talk with others. Now if you want to leave the group, you'll have to tap on the name of the group on the top, and right here you'll be able to find an option of leave. You will have to tap on it and it will say do you want to leave the group, and if you want to leave it, you'll simply have to tap on leave. Now you can see the group is being left, and if you want to undo it, you can simply tap on undo. And if you want to leave it permanently, you can wait for 4 to 5 seconds, or you can simply close Telegram and the group will be left. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section below.